दिल्लीમાં ઉડારે ગુલાલ ગુલાબી રંગ કેસરિયા.
So question number 8. A quadrilateral ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that this. So, this is the circle. And at random we have taken any 4 point. This is the center. At random, the 4 points are, just as in your book, R, P, Q, R, S. This is P, then Q, then R, and then S. 4 points at random. At P, it is not given circle center, but I'm drawing now radius, all the 4 radius, means no diameters, no angle, general. So if you will make here tangent, so this is 90 degree, okay, this is this one, this one. So you are getting 4 points, these 4 points. So in your book, what is done? This extension is not made. This is simply this type of figure is made. So here P. So let us start from here. A, B, and C, and D. You have to prove ABCD, this condition. What is this condition? This condition is AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. This is what? AB plus CD, AB, then CD. This is the sum of opposite sides. This is because quadrilateral 4 sides are there, so 2 pairs of opposite sides. So this is sum of opposite side. This one, AD plus BC, these opposite sides. If the sum of the opposite side is equal, then quadrilateral is tangential quadrilateral. Then quadrilateral is tangential. Tangential means you may have a largest circle in it. So this is the question. Now we will prove it. It's very easy. We will use here theorem 10.1 and 10.2. No, only 10.2. And that is why in your question this center is not made, but I have made, but it is no use. How to draw this? So then you will be required. But for the proving, this proving, center is not required. So that is why. Okay. Now 10.2, theorem 10.2. What is theorem 10.2? Then theorem 10.2, the length of tangents drawn from an external point on a circle is equal. Length of tangent. So this is a circle and you have 4 external point with respect to this circle. A because A here, and AS and AP, these are equal because these are the tangents drawn from external point A. But this is the theorem will be used here. A, then B, BP, and BQ. So it's very easy question. Now provement. No condition is given here. So theorem, just write theorem 10.2. from an external point the length of the tangents, the length of two tangents the lengths of two tangents are equal. This. So this was theorem 10.2. So A is external point, what you can write? AP is equal to AS. AP is equal to AS. I have taken A. Then B as external point, BP. B and P is equal to what? BQ. This. What you have taken? B as external point. B as external point and theorem 10.2. One times if you have written the theorem 10.2, so no need to write everywhere 10.2. What is 10.2? No, that is why in already I have written. After that, C as external point. C. So that is CR is equal to CQ. You may write similarly. Everywhere similarly. CR. Then DR is equal to DS. So four equations you may have, four external points. Then what you will do? Add it. All these add. You know what I have done here? A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Then P, P, R, R. And here S, S, Q, Q. You have to prove AB plus CD. AB. How will you get AB? AB means AP plus PB is equal to AB. CD means CR plus DR is equal to CD. So if you add this one, na? So add from both sides. This one, AP plus BP. AP plus BP plus CR plus DR is equal to here AS plus AS plus, S, you have to search is DS. AS then DS. Actually this is AP and this will be get added, AP plus BP. But for here AS and BQ will not be added. You have to search DS and then BQ. So this is the case. My first, second, third, fourth. But here 1 and 4th, AS plus DS, AS plus DS, then BQ plus CQ. Okay. So this is the important one. AP plus BP is equal to AB plus CD. But here you have to rearrange AS plus DS, AS plus DS, or you may write AS plus DS plus BQ plus CQ. BQ plus CQ. AS plus DS. AS plus DS. AS plus DS. AD. AD plus BC. This was the proof made. So sum of the opposite sides is equal, then quadrilateral is tangential. Sum of the opposite sides. Only one thing I would like to tell you. This was the circle inside and quadrilateral outside. You have in class 9th what? Suppose circle was outside and quadrilateral was inside. This circle was outside. Suppose this is the same. So if the circle, this is called tangential, this is called tangential quadrilateral. Tangential quadrilateral. And this is called tangential, cyclic quadrilateral. In the cyclic quadrilateral, suppose this is D, this is C, this is B, and this is A. If the sum of opposite angles is equal, means 180 degree. If angle D plus angle B is equal to angle A plus angle C, if this opposites equal, then this will be opposite equal means 180 degree, because the whole angles are 360. So one thing is 180 degree, then it will be cyclic quadrilateral. This is cyclic quadrilateral. This was in class 9th and this is in class 10th. In cyclic quadrilateral, quadrilateral is in and circle is outside. And in tangential, the quadrilateral is just playing a tangent's role, tangent. So that why in class 10th, the first you have to told about tangent. And this was the class 9th, this is the class 10th. So in detail, I will teach you in other classes, other videos. So keep patience and keep watching. Thank you.